Okay, now let us see another example, that is a Python program to make a simple calculator. Okay, so we are gonna create a simple calculator which will be displaying the different arithmetical operations, that is your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, using the functions. Okay, now let's get started, and I'll just open up my Python file calculator, Python file, okay. Python file, and then here what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna create a or define a function. Okay, with the help of the function I'm gonna do it. So I'll be making the use of your comment lines as well here. So hash define functions. Okay, now next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a def. I'm gonna create a function. Okay, then these are my parameters x and y. I forgot it up. Cool. Okay, so what does this function do? This function adds two numbers, right? Two numbers. Next, return x plus y. This is my fruitful statement, right? Because I'm using a return statement as well as an expression, so this turns out to be my fruitful statements. We have already discussed that in the classes. Next, I'm gonna take up another function called def sub, right? Subtract. Then I'm going to use the same parameters x comma y, and then what this function is going to do, this function, these are nothing but doc strings. Okay, so this function subtracts two numbers. Okay, this function subtracts two numbers. Then I'll take up a return statement, return x minus y. Okay. Okay, great. Next will be my another function, that is def multiply. Then I'm gonna pass the same parameters x comma y. Then doc strings. This function multiplies two numbers. Next, return x into y. Okay, right? I'm gonna have another function, that is divide, right? So where my parameters are x comma y, now this function two numbers, right? Okay. Next one is return statement. Return x divided by y. After this, what it has to do, that is the function definition which I have done. Now I need to take up a input from the user. So how I'm going to do that? I'll write it as a take input from user, and then I'll take up I'll take up so before that, let me do it some other way. That is take input from the user. That is print select operations, then first one is my add statement, select operations, one add, print, two subtract, and then print, three multiply, then fourth one division. Okay, next. So these are my print statements the user should select from here. So I'm going to take the choice of the user with the help of your statements. That is, choice is equals to input. Yes, enter the choice with the choice 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after this okay, enter the choices. Okay, I'll do it in a more specific way. Now next, num1 is equals to input enter the first number, right? Then I'll give it as enter the first number. Then what I'll do next will be my another number. I'll be taking number 2 is equals to int input, enter the second number, enter the second number. After that, what I'm gonna do, enter the second number. If I'm gonna have a if condition, if choice is equals to 1, right, colon, then print num1 comma plus comma num2 equals to call that particular function, add x comma that is num1 comma num2. Right, this particular function is being called num2. Okay, so that was for the first one. Now I'll have one more else if statement. Okay, else if choice equals to 2, then what it has to do, it has to print it has to print num1 comma minus, right, comma num2 comma, in the double quotes I'm gonna put your equals sign, and then I'm gonna call a subtract function, that is num1 comma num2. Right, so this is how I subtract two particular numbers. Now I'm gonna take it for the another choice, that is your elif if your choices equals to choice is equals to 3, choice is equals to 3, then what it has to do, choice is equals to 3, print num1 comma, this is my star, right, so I'm gonna take it in the star comma num2, okay, num2 comma equals to, okay, I'm gonna call my multiply function, and num1 comma num2 are my parameters which I'm gonna pass. Okay, now I'll have that was for my multiplication, right? The last one is for your another, that is for division. So else if choice is equals to 4, so what it has to do, it has to perform a division operation, right? So print, that is num1 comma, in the double quotes you're gonna have with division, right, comma num2 comma equals to, comma divide num1 comma num2, right, num1 comma num2. Okay, so when I do this, the last thing is taking up else part of it. So else colon, what it has to print out, print invalid input. Okay, invalid, okay, right, invalid input. So this is my program now. So all my program is ready. I'll just run this. Okay, select operations, add, subtract, multiply, division. So among these 4 options, I'm gonna go with the third option. Enter the first number 3, enter the second number 2. So invalid output. what happened? Yeah. Okay. So just check out with the output there. So what I have done, I have got the select operation. So I've selected the first operation, that is add operation, and then I have entered the first number, second number, and then it has given me the results. So this is how you calculate your, design up your calculator. I hope the things are clear with it. Okay.